morning. I am Dr. Vishwanathan, Chief Consultant Physician at Vaidyashala Ayurveda Hospital, Trivandrum. Vaidyashala is a brand of K.C. Kunjuraman Vaidyan Ayurveda Hospital, Trivandrum, working in the field of Ayurveda healthcare since 2 decades. We have multi-specialities working hand in hand in our new premises. We provide expert Ayurveda therapies for the adults as well as special kids. In this Autism Awareness Day, our Autistic Speciality Clinic proudly presents before you the speciality treatments and modalities what we follow here at Vaidyashala. Our Autism Speciality Clinic is headed by Dr. Reshma, our consultant Ayurveda pediatrician, Ms. Elshal Baba, our psychologist and behavioral therapist, Ms. Nasreen, speech and language pathologist. Individualized yoga and meditation sessions are done by Dr. Deeti Palakot, our resident medical officer, and Geetu Jari, our physiotherapist. So an integrated approach with Ayurvedic treatment principles combined with the right therapies provides wonderful help for the special kids.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Reshma, Consultant Ayurveda Pediatrician at Vaidyashala Ayurveda Hospital. As you all know, autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder which affects the mental status of the child. The typical features we see in these children are impaired socialization, impaired communication, and repetitive and stereotypic patterns of behaviors and restricted interests. While treating these children through Ayurveda, we adopt our Agneya protocol, which starts with Agni correction. By correcting the Agni, we start correcting the metabolic derangement in the child first. After Agni correction, a systemic detoxification is done through gut clearance. It in turn increases the gut mucosal immunity, which is usually impaired in these children. After these preliminary steps, we administer the internal herbal supplements which trigger the neuronal plasticity in these developing brains. The fourth step of Agneya is external procedure-based therapies which include Rukshana, Snehana, Takradara, Shirodhara, Shirovasti, etc., which is found to have far-reaching effects in these children. The Y of Agneya stands for Yoga Therapy, which improves the physical and mental status of the child. Next comes other allied therapies, which include behavior therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, which we complement the child with throughout our treatment course and also after that. So Agneya is a holistic approach in treating autism, which is found to bring wonderful changes in the socio-behavioral, cognitive and sensory issues in these special children. Thank you.
Hi, I am Elshal Baba, psychologist and behavior therapist of Vaidyashala Ayurveda Hospital. Socio-behavior issues and restricted repetitive activities forms the hardest nut to be cracked in the field of childhood autism. So, behavior therapy is inevitable in the management plan. Behavior therapy trains these kids to attain activities of daily living, self-care, and social communication through play activities and one-to-one training. Tailor-made these therapies help in reducing problematic behavior and to attain social living skills. Parental training and counseling forms an integral part, thereby equipping the parents to provide behavior modifications in daily activities as well. This will help the parents understand the situation of the child and develop an emotional interrelationship with the child. At Vaidyashala, we provide one-to-one training and activities for indoor and outdoor to each child to enhance the socio-behavioral aspects as well as to control stereotypic behavior. Group therapy sessions help the child to build up an emotional bonding, thereby increasing their emotional reciprocity.
Hi all, I'm Nasreen and speech language pathologist at Vaidyashala Ayurveda Hospital, Trivandrum. In this Autism Awareness Day, I am here to discuss about two important points. First of all, the importance of speech language training in autistic children and the goals we achieve here at Vaidyashala. Kids with autism have major problem in both receptive and expressive speech as well as non-verbal communication. Because of this situation, they may find very hard to interact with the society. At the same time, they always want to be independent and remain aloof. Hence, speech therapy is a central part of the treatment for autism, and a speech therapist can address a wide range of communication problems of such children. What we do here at Vaidyashala, once autism is diagnosed, we thoroughly check the familial exposure of the child, whether he gets adequate environment to communicate with the people or not. Every autistic child is different and it is impossible to set same fixed goals for every child. So we have to follow some principles to set each child's goal for better communication. First and foremost aim is to establish functional spontaneous communication. For this, we check whether the child can express his basic needs to others. If he can, then we check the word level. If he is having a good word count, we try to enhance his communication skills to next level of sentence making. And if he can't spontaneously react to those situations, we use alternative methods like picture exchange, prompting, and etc. Speech therapists create a special situation and make the child to react with the situation with a full prompt and gradually fade the prompt and enable him to independently use the language for his needs. This helps the child to maintain peer relationships through group sessions and play activities. We always try to provide social instruction in various settings and ultimately make the child to communicate with society and improve his pragmatic skills and enabling him to benefit from the society. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I am Geetu Jerry, physiotherapist at Vaidyashala Ayurvedic Hospital. I am here to share few information on the role of physiotherapist for children with autism. In addition to behavioral and social emotional difficulties, many children with autism spectral disorders will also experience difficulty with their sensory and motor skills. Children with autism may achieve early gross motor milestones such as sitting, crawling, independent walking, but the quality of their movements may be immature or stereotypical when compared with their peer group. These motor skills provide the foundation for the development of later motor skills such as skipping, riding bike, balancing, ball skills, hopping, and etc. These skills impact the child's overall participation in community level activities. Physiotherapist will assess the child's overall motor functioning and play a key ingredient to improve gross motor milestones, motor planning, balance reactions, and sensory feedbacks by providing specific exercises for muscle strength, posture, balance reactions, and practicing strategies to improve awareness for their body posture and movements, and support to participate in community-based physical activity programs that will help them to interact with the team, that will improve the community skills. Physiotherapy, along with other treatments, results in good outcomes, and thus we could do our best for the child. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepthi, Resident Medical Officer at Vaidyashala Ayurveda Hospital. As we all know, lifestyle management is a very important area while dealing with autistic children, and parents play the pivotal role in this. Families should always be cautious to customize their lifestyle focusing on these kids. They should be given proper training in daily activities of self-care like waking up, taking a bath, toileting, food habits, exercise, and sleep.
Autism spectrum disorder is a serious neurodevelopmental issue primarily affecting the brain. Along with the common symptoms, gastrointestinal issues are also seen affecting such children. The gastrointestinal issues are mainly occurring due to improper immune activation of the gastrointestinal tract, leading to dysbiosis of the gut bacteria. Children with autism spectrum disorders are 6 to 8 times more prone to have gastrointestinal issues like constipation, diarrhea, or bloatedness. These symptoms seems to aggravate the socio-behavioral issues as well. These inflammatory reactions generates endotoxins inside the system and indirectly affects the digestion and assimilation. Treating and normalizing the gastrointestinal tract issues show marked improvement in the socio-behavioral pattern of such children with ASD. Ayurveda Panchakarma therapies used wisely and appropriately for detoxifying both extracellular and intracellular toxins help a lot to improve the behavioral issues of children with ASD. Our Agneya protocol aims mainly in achieving such a harmony.
At Vaidyashala, it is a collective responsibility. When a parent comes with their child, the pediatrician makes her first assessment and collectively make discussions with the psychologist, speech therapist, and the physiotherapist, and if necessary, gets an opinion from our support neurologist, and finally makes a treatment protocol for Ayurvedic management as well as all allied therapies. Daily observations and weekly assessment and parental counseling is a mandatory procedure here. All Ayurveda procedures are observed and done by well-trained and dedicated therapists. So you can be sure your baby is safe with us. Thank you.
My son Shravan was diagnosed with ASD at the age of 3.9. He was advised for speech therapy and occupational therapy, and experts told that there were no medicine except therapies. We were in search of alternative medicines for ASD, and we found Ayurvedic treatment for ASD. The Ayurvedic treatment provided here is an integrated one and consists of external application together with internal medicines and therapies. Now at age of 8, Shravan is able to speak. His speech has improved a lot. He has better eye contact and attention. So he can socialize with his peers. His restlessness has calmed down. His emotional attachment, he shows emotional attachment, and he showed noticeable improvement in academics. I thank Vaidyashala.